Hi, this is Anna with WTI. I'm going to show you how this beautiful woven basket from CHICVITA is the perfect basket to use for gifts. So these baskets are very unique. They could be used for gift baskets, which is what I'm using it for, but they're also perfect for home storage. They could be used in a child's room just to throw in all the little stuffies. It really is. It's a thick, durable, and really soft material. So if you're not using it, you can actually just fold it down and it will just be easily put away. The actual size is a perfect size for what I needed, which is for the gift basket. It's about 13 inches, an oval shape, but yet it's about 5 inches high, so it won't overpower what you're trying to put inside. The material is made out of cotton, which is, again, soft. So if you're looking for that special basket to have a beautiful display like this for a going away gift, then this basket by CHICVITA is definitely a go-to, and that's my point of view.